So this will be our ingredients for today. So let's start. We have our all kinds of nuts. We have pumpkin seeds, almonds, dried apples, and all kinds of seeds. We have feta cheese for our protein. We have spinach here. We have our stuffed manzanilla. And of course, we have carrots, cherry tomatoes, we have our pepper and our lettuce. And we also need like kind of salad dressing, so you can pick whatever you want. But for me, I'm using ranch dressing. And this will be our ingredients for today for our salad in a jar. Okay, let's start. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making a simple recipe and it's called salad in a jar. So for sure we will be using our jar for today. So fun facts about our salad in a jar. First thing we do is we have to work from bottom to top of our jar. So first thing we do is we are going to put our dressing first, just to make sure that our veggies won't get wet. So we have to work from our bottom first. So first we have to put whatever sauce you want. So I'm gonna add my sauce there. Okay, that's good. And then the second part is we are going to put our heavy veggies. Like for example, we have our carrots here. You can use tomatoes, peppers, or if you wanna add celeries, you can always do that. So let's start with our carrots here. There, just dump it in there. I'll just turn it so everyone can see. Make it there. And then we can put our tomatoes and of course our pepper, but you know it's good if you slice it first. So let's slice our pepper. This is super easy. You can bring this anywhere. Bring it for lunch, for work, or when you go for picnics. Whatever you like. Okay, now we can put our pepper here. It's looking good already. And after that, the next layer is we can put our proteins. Like for example, you can put your beans, any kind of beans. But for me, I'll be using my feta cheese. So this is what I'm using for today. Feta cheese. There, so you can just put it all in here like that. And then I have my stuffed manzanilla here, and this is what I'm using. It's like olives, or you can use olives, whatever you want. So let's just put it in here. Oh, it's looking good already. So after that, the next layer will be our we can put our leaves like the lettuce. You can put spinach or asparagus or whatever you want to put it in there. Now we have to slice our lettuce first. Okay, so this is really super easy. Yes, let's just slice it. Okay, and then we can dump it in here. Oh, anyway, by the way, you can also add beets if you want, but I don't have a beets right now. But you know, it's good because of the color. Like you get to see different colors and it's attractive to eat, right? Okay, let's put our lettuce here. Okay, and then I think I can put this leftover lettuce here. Let's just slice it for meantime, and then let's put it in there. And you can add your spinach now. Here you go. So these are the lighter veggies that you can add. Or you can also add cucumbers, by the way, so you have to put it where the heavy veggies are. So these are the ingredients that I have in our fridge, so I'm just using what we have. And last thing is, now we can put our seeds. So you just put this on top like this. You can put everything you want here. There you go. And additional, if you wanna add like lighter cheese, you can put parchment paper up here, and then you can put the cheese on top. And voila, we have our salad in a jar. And let's just close it. And this is how it looks. There. So our salad in a jar is ready, and this is really healthy for you. You can bring it anywhere. You can prepare it the night before you go out for lunch or supper, or you can make a whole bunch for a week. Like you can make different kinds of veggies like for your salad for the whole week. So it saves you time, and it's super easy and healthy. Bye-bye!